USAA for car insurance? You know us for our service and membership perks, but our car insurance may also cost less than you think. Members saved $725. A survey showed that our members saved an average of $725 per year when they switched to USAA auto insurance. See Note 1. See car insurance discounts, exceptional service and claims. We're available 24/7 online for policy updates and claims through usaa.com and our mobile app. Visit Claims Center. Customer satisfaction. USAA Auto Insurance has earned the highest score from Net Promoter for most likely to recommend 13 years in a row. See Note to find out how much you could save. You may qualify for discounts and savings. USAA Safe Pilot. If you live in an eligible state, you could save up to 30% with our safe driving program. Safe Pilot. See Note 3. Learn more about Safe Pilot Bundle and save up to 10% when you bundle auto and property policies. See Note 4. Military on base discount. Save up to 15% on your auto premium when you garage your car on base. See Note 5. Annual mileage and storage discounts. Get a discount if you don't drive much per year. See Note 6. And if you put your car in storage. See Note 7. Automatic payments. Discount. Save up to 3% on your auto premium when you set up automatic payments. See Note 6. No fees for monthly payment plan. Choose a payment due date that's convenient for you. See Note 8. My USAA Legacy. Discount if your parents have a USAA auto insurance policy. You could save up to 10% on your own policy. See Note 9. Good student discount. Get a discount on your car insurance if your teen driver maintains good grades. See Note 6. Multi-vehicle discount. Extend your coverage to 2 or more vehicles, and you could qualify for a multi-vehicle discount. See Note 6. Easy, convenient, secure. The USAA mobile app is available 24/7. You can get auto ID cards, get proof of insurance, add vehicles and drivers, change your coverage, pay your bill, request roadside assistance. See Note 10. File and manage claims. Get car insurance coverage to meet your needs. Whether you need basic coverage or more peace of mind, you can customize your policy. Liability coverage. This helps pay expenses for injuries or deaths in accidents in which you're found at fault. It also helps pay to repair or replace the other driver's damaged property. Collision coverage. This helps pay for damages to your vehicle from an incident related to driving, such as collisions with stationary objects and other vehicles. Comprehensive coverage. This helps pay for damages to your vehicle from an incident like hitting an animal, fire, flooding, glass damage and hail. Uninsured and underinsured motorist. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. This may pay for injuries to you and your passengers, as well as property damage from an accident caused by a driver with little or no insurance. Personal injury protection coverage. This helps pay for medical expenses, lost wages and more for you and your passengers, no matter who's at fault for an accident. It also covers you if you get injured as a pedestrian. MedPay medical payments coverage. This helps pay for accident-related medical costs for you and your passengers, regardless of who's at fault. It also covers you if you're injured in a friend's car or as a pedestrian.